Welcome to Learn About Atheism.
Have you ever encountered a scientific study and wondered if its conclusions were entirely impartial, or perhaps influenced by something other than pure objective inquiry? Yes, conflicts of interest can absolutely invalidate scientific findings, though it is more accurate to say they can severely compromise or undermine the credibility and reliability of those findings. When a conflict exists, it raises significant questions about the objectivity and integrity of the research. The core mechanism behind this threat is bias, which can manifest in various forms. A conflict of interest occurs when a researcher's personal or financial interests could potentially influence the design, execution, analysis, or publication of their research. This is not always malicious. It can be an unconscious process. For instance, financial ties to a pharmaceutical company might subtly incline a researcher to interpret ambiguous data in a way favorable to that company's product. It can influence which questions are asked, how a study is designed, which data points are emphasized or omitted, and even whether results get published at all, a phenomenon known as publication bias. To evaluate potential conflicts, always look for disclosure statements in published articles. Many reputable journals requiring authors to declare any financial or personal relationships that could be perceived as conflicts. Also, consider the funding source for the research. While industry funding does not automatically equate to biased results, it warrants closer scrutiny. A critical step involves examining the study's methodology itself, looking for robust design and statistical analysis that minimizes subjective interpretation. This focus on conflicts ties into the broader concept of epistemic vigilance, which is the careful and critical evaluation of information to ensure its reliability and truthfulness. It recognizes that even in science, human elements, interests, and biases are at play. Acknowledging and addressing conflicts of interest is crucial for maintaining the self-correcting nature of science and ensuring the robustness of its claims. Understanding how conflicts of interest can influence research is essential for anyone seeking to build a robust understanding of scientific knowledge. By critically assessing the sources and potential biases behind scientific claims, you can better discern reliable information, allowing you to clarify nuanced concepts and avoid common misconceptions about the nature of evidence and discovery.
If you're into this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment.